Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out from MetaTrader 5 on PC. So if you also want to log out from MetaTrader 5 on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. You can see over here I have opened MetaTrader 5 and I'm logged into my account. So on MetaTrader 5 there is no option for logging out. You'll not be able to find the option for log out over here. But if you want to log out of your account, you can simply end the session. Ending the session is equivalent to logging out. So in order to end the session, you can simply click on the close icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After that, the session will be ended. Or you can also click on the file option that you can see at the top of your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the exit option that you can see at the last. Now after that, you can see over here MetaTrader 5 will be closed and you'll be logged out and the session will be ended. Like this, you'll be able to log out from MetaTrader 5 on PC. So that is how you log out from MetaTrader 5 on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.